Hello, my name is Joe from Swansway Chester Peugeot, and today I will be demonstrating to you how to use your Android and Apple CarPlay. If you have any questions about this video, please leave them in the comment section below, or if you would like to know how to use any of the other amazing features across our Peugeot range, then please be sure to leave them in the comments and I'll be sure to see to it as soon as possible. First of all, what we need to do is connect our phone to the USB port and then plug it into our phone. Once you have unlocked your phone, you will see it is charging and a little message will pop on your screen which will read "Allow CarPlay with the BT Peugeot while phone is locked." All we have to do is press allow to this and then head towards our multimedia screen and press the Apple CarPlay. Once you have done so, you will see that your phone is now connected. You can use multiple different apps on this screen, as well as the Google Maps navigation system and a couple other ones. You can also connect your phone via the Apple Music. You can use Spotify as well as the Google and Apple Maps. You can also make use of the Siri functionality, meaning you can control your phone without even having to take your hands off the steering wheel. I will now demonstrate to you how to set up your Android Auto on your vehicle. First, what we need to do is plug in our USB port and make sure our phone is connected. Then simply unlock your phone and you will be presented with this message. Press next to accept it and your phone screen will be transferred onto your multimedia system. You will then be able to place your phone down and head towards your HD multimedia system. Once you have done this, you will see the various different apps that you have at your disposal. You can play your Amazon Music, your phone, read your text messages, and even your Messenger and WhatsApp messages. You can also make use of the Spotify and Android Music, as well as the voice command functionality, which will allow you to control your phone without even having to take your hands off the steering wheel. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for our latest stock.